In this video I will show you how to change phone number on Temu mobile application. So let's start. Open the app. And next click on this U icon here. Next click settings. And then account security. Here is your phone number. If you don't have one, you can add it. And if you have your number here already, you can edit your number. You just click on it, you put your new number, you get this verification code, and this is how can you change your number. I'm gonna show you one more time. Where is it? So when you open Temu application, go here, click on this U icon, settings, account security, click on it, and here you can add or edit phone number. Your phone number has to be only US, so that's why I can't show you, because I have only Slovak number. But here you can put you can write your US number, and you can also change it. So this is how can you do it. Guys, thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, and see you one click later. Goodbye.